Welcome back to Kurt's Home Living, November Harvest.
Out here in the lower garden, ready to pick one of these beets. I'll just pull it right up. Not the biggest thing. Pick this one too. Go.
The beetroot stem and leaves are nutritious.
Up here in the upper garden, pepper patch. I'm gonna go ahead and grab all the peppers, all the habaneros, all these Tabascos, the Mad Hatters, Carolina Reapers. Got some ghost pepper greens right here. And some cayenne over there. You just go ahead and snatch all these up. And I'm gonna snatch the green tomatoes up too.
All the makings for a delicious salsa.
Okay, out here I babysat these tomatoes long enough. It's November 20th or so. I think the frost finally got to the leaves. Already picked some off of here. I'm gonna go ahead and pick them all off. I can also always make green salsa and stuff out of this. Final picking of tomatoes. Peppers are already picked.
Cover them up and put them in a cool place and it'll be red soon.
Just picked these tomatoes out here in the garden, the lower garden. All my herbs are still nice and strong. Deep into November. Everything's still growing. Parsley, sage, garlic chives, rosemary, thyme, oregano still growing. Mint's still looking pretty good. And the greens.
Since the frost hit, no more bugs.
Greens love this weather. They're still looking nice and strong, healthy. Even the dill weed is growing. Got greens till Christmas probably. Update.
Thanks for watching Kurt's Home Living.